So remember back in January when OnLeaks provided us with the very first look of iPhone 11? At that point, he wasn't completely sure of this thing, but then we got another report straight from the supply chain courtesy of Mac Otakara suggesting a similar design. I had some bad feeling about this claim as the devices looked completely different and I thought by some chance Apple may not go for this whole mess. Sadly, I was wrong and Apple is the one with F title. Again, Steve from OnLeaks has posted this picture as some sort of confirmation or depiction of the next iPhone. As you can see, it looks exactly the way the renders predicted it to be, and yeah, the square module accommodates a triple camera system with LED flash above the right lens and mic below it. The setup also creates a camera bump on the back of this phone. Now, when it comes to accuracy, Steve has a very good track record. He say, I never make assumptions when it comes to my own leaks, they're always based on strong facts. In this case, I can tell you for sure, the camera layout of iPhone 11 prototype based on which my renders have been made has triangular shaped camera system with flash, above right lens and mic below it. So that finally confirms the look of next iPhone. I really don't understand why Apple is doing this because it already looks like a nightmare. The company is always known for the design aspect and that's one of the reasons why Apple deserves to be in the market. But this year, I don't think Apple has anything to boast about how gorgeous their phones are. The notch will still be there, so it will look outdated from front, and at the back, it looks like the Mate 20 Pro got an Apple sticker and that square camera module shifted to the top left corner. When other companies are experimenting with hole punch design, Apple still believes in the notch. And yeah, it's because of the Face ID that requires bunch of sensors to operate. There were some plans for this design too, and it looks far better than this one. Obviously, it has to deal with some technical reasons, but in any case, Apple has something more tragic after the Air Power, and that could take their sales down even further. That said, for daily updates like this, you know what to do. Peace out.